Introducing Burndy's next-generation patent-pending compression insulation piercing connector product family. Reliable, repeatable, and inspectable wire connections. Burndy's solar compression insulation piercing trunk connection system is CULUS listed to 486A, 486B wire connector standards. Compliant with UL 486D, sealed wire connector system sequence E, rain and sequence H, sun resistance or UV. Flexible installation along the trunk bus. As demonstrated, Burndy's YIPC connector is installed along the trunk bus, tapping fused copper PV wires connecting the solar panels to the main run bus. Speed of installation with single crimp connectors. Crimp die embossed wire size for post-crimp inspection. Cover has strain relief devices, eliminating stress at the connection. Cover material offers a UL 94V0 flame rating. Multi-tap port connector allows for fewer connections. Trunk bus solution eliminates the need for combiner boxes. When connections are made with Burndy's T3 technology, each connection installed can be tracked, traced, and transmitted for proper connector installation validation. Burndy's compression IPC solution is truly best in class. For more information, visit burndy.com.